Welcome to LJ Hooker. We're showing you today number 11 Ravello circuit. That's 4-bedroom plus study, or you can say 5-bedroom house. It's nice and beautiful. We are showing you as soon as we walk in. Nice tiled area. On your right hand side we have a master bedroom with the window X, and then that's a walk-in robe. And that's got an ensuite here with the toilet and shower. As soon as we walk out of here, on your left hand side we have either study, or you can say the other bedroom. Then it's a living area, massive living area. That's the bedroom number 3rd, or you can say 2nd, built-in robe over. And from the window it's have a side access from the garage. And that's the kitchen, stainless steel appliances, dishwasher, and the oven, and then pantry, and then fridge space. Another living area here, and then here, and a massive pergola outside here. Low maintenance backyard. And as soon as we come back from here, we got other bedroom. That's the main bathroom with a toilet, shower, and bathtub. And that's another bedroom here. And overlooking backyard, very low maintenance. That's laundry, access to outside, and that's another bedroom. So this is the 5th bedroom, or you can say 4/5th study. Alright, what you waiting for? Apply now. Thank you.